I have this minor annoyance of the shower basket that keeps falling and it's not level. Kind of wanted it level, so I printed this part. I'm just gonna do a quick run through of how I drew it and then just show it printing and all that. Whenever I draw things, I usually select the top plane, go over here to top. I hit S key a lot. So right now, C for circle, D for dimension, and we 0.835. C for circle. I'm going to make the thickness 4 millimeters. And then I'm going to hit R for rectangle. R for rectangle, escape. Make these coincident. And I'll make a line, L for line. Click that, horizontal, X for construction. I'm going to make both of these equal. Make this 0.3, 0.75. Hit D for that. And then T for trim. I'm going to trim this, that, 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 that. 0.79 for that one. It's supposed to be equal. Those equal right there for the equal width, and then the width is going to be 4 millimeters, just like that. We'll hit E for extrude. We'll say 1 inch and see how that looks. Okay, so I'm going to do circle. I just clicked create sketch, that plane, C for circle, L for line. I'm going to just put it out here in space. Click that, click this, midpoint, horizontal, construction if you want. We'll say 0.375, so 3/8 and 3/8. E for extrude, go all the way through the part. Say all over here. That's it. Add some chamfers to look cool. You can either hit S key and start spelling it out, or come up here to the menu. We'll hold Control key down. Select each line, and we'll say 2 millimeters. So we're going to say 4 millimeters. And there we go. Now I know this will work because if it doesn't, you just heat it up and bend it more. Anyway, this hole I'm just putting a zip tie through. So right click, save as mesh, and then import that into the slicer and slice it.